Hello. So, in this video I'm going to do another variation to Elyne Road by Toumani Diabate. So it's a variation on top of this bit, which I showed in the first video, the second half of the first tutorial I put out. Has that part, so if you don't remember it, go back to that first video and then go from there. But yeah, you would have heard it there at the beginning with the click track. Okay, so it's quite long, so I'm just going to break it down bit by bit, really, just so it's kind of clearer for you. Okay, so where it comes in, there, you see, so the F, second F, so after the second F, and you finish here on the C. So usually you would go back to the E, to the D, F, F, and you stop there. Then it goes in. Okay, so we'll just start with that nice little bit there at the beginning. Okay, so we're starting here on the D up here on the right side. Okay. And we're going to the C on the left. Then it says D, C, then it drops down to the B here on the right. It goes back to the C, back to the B, then it goes to the A. So it's then we come double G's. G, G. Finger on the right, thumb on the left. Together. So. We come to the thumbs. Da, 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 da. Okay, so it's C here, 3, C, C here, number 2. Then it goes A, so it drops down here 1. Then it goes back to C again, so like that, so from the beginning. Then it goes, so it's, so directly off that bit it's the D here, A here, together. Then we go to the D here, so it goes, then it goes A, C on the right side here again, so okay, so we'll just go from the second part, so to the second and third part. Okay, from the first part. To the fourth part. Okay, da 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 da. So basically what we're doing is da 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 da, coming down the scale, starting on the F here, coming down to the E, da, da, the D, then to the C, all the fingers, da 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 da, all the way down here with the finger. But what we're doing after the first note, we're dropping in an F. You can either do F or you can do A here. Nice to change it sometimes. Or see, so it's first finger, then the thumb, then you continue on. Da, 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it's straight, including that one. So okay, so we're going to go from part 3 to 4. From the top. Okay, so from there we go. Okay, so what that is C here, F, and then C. The thumbs, da, do, da, okay. Then it goes. Okay, so the fingers are da 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 da. So it's going up in the scale, starting from the D, da here, E. Then it goes up here to the E, F, G, A. Then it comes down on the left side here to back to the F again. So it goes. And then we go to the E here on this side, it drops down. So da 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 da. You should be able to find it just listening to the melody. Okay, so once you've got that, we're going to add in this left thumb, which is going. So just 2 times. When you play this first E here on the side, you're playing with it a G. It's weird, I know, but it works. And then when you play the G, you play the G. So it's only when you're playing right side finger, the first 2. 1, 2, and all the rest is just fingers. So in a way, it's the 1, 2, the second note, and the 4th note in this little part. Okay. When you finish that note here, the E, we then play the octave E here, da, bong, with the thumb. Okay, so. Okay, so with the thumb part, it's. Okay, so going from here. Okay, so we go from the top. Okay, and then directly after that, da, dum, we're just going to play another A here on the right side. These lot of the A's here on the right side, this right thumb, they're played kind of softly in comparison, so it's, you know, like this, softer even than that. Okay, so from there, da, 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 da. Then we go. Okay. So starting here, G, finger. Then we go to the A on the left side. Then we go up on the left side to the C. Then we go to the right side, D. Then we come here, double D, D, D. So it goes D, D, okay? And then again, we finish off with an A here. So. Okay, so from the part from before, so. So from the beginning. There we go. Okay, so it's so it goes from the C here to the D to the E, and then we do F, but we do F, F, F. So F here, right side, number 1. Then we do 2 Fs here on the left side. Then we finish off with 1 F up here on the right side. So F, F, F. So it goes. Then it goes da 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 da. So it's left finger, number 1 up here, the E. 1, 2, 3, 4. just drops down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try and mute them as well. Da, 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 if you can. Da, 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 da. Okay, so from the one before. Okay, and then the whole thing. It's a bit tricky. It's a really long one, so it's quite hard to play at a slow pace. Then from there we go again this A. So this A keeps coming in between each part quite a lot. And it goes. Okay, so A. Then we go here, double G's, thumb finger. Then we do left finger. So it goes A, F, then we do double E's. So it's okay, so from the F part. Okay, so I won't do the whole thing this time, we'll just keep going, and then we're going to go C, do, do, do. Okay, do, do, do. It goes da, 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 da. So C to the B, back to the C, back to the B again. So it's da, 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 da. Then it just finishes off on the A. Okay, so. Then we go double D's, so low D and high D, not the middle one. So double D's, and then after that we just go so A, C, then we're back into the menken. Okay, and everything comes back on the F. So okay, so one time the whole thing. And it comes back in time. Really beautiful, kind of snakes around and then kind of just drops straight back in again. Yeah, I think that was pretty clear. Yeah, again, as always, just let me know if you have any questions and I'll try and help you out. But yeah, it's a real lovely piece. Then you just drop back into that bit here. And you can either do it again or you can go somewhere else. And yeah, and I'll make another video on kind of the structure and how to put it together in different ways at some point. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.